নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, how are you all? Welcome to your own channel, Share Bangla. Today we are going to discuss about a Reliance fraud case and Sebi has implemented some fine on Reliance Industries. So the Sebi has fined the Reliance Industries and Mukesh Ambani and two other entities. So let's start the video. The Security of Exchange of Board of India on Friday imposed penalties on Reliance Industries, its chairman and managing director Mukesh Ambani, as well as two other entities for alleged manipulative and fraudulent trading in the share of Eastwhile uh, Reliance Petroleum Limited, that is back in November 2007. And for this, and the fine of rupees 25 crore and rupees 15 crore have been imposed on Reliance Industry Limited. Fine of rupees 25 crore and 15 crore have been imposed on Reliance Industry Limited and Ambani respectively. Beside, Navi Mumbai Sage Private Limited has been asked to pay the penalty of rupees 20 crore, and Mumbai Sage Limited has been directed to pay rupees 10 crore. This is the total, this is the allegations. Now, the case of the pardon to sale of and purchase of Reliance Petroleum Limited share in the case of in the cash and future segment in the November 2007, and this followed Reliance Industry decision to in the March 2007 to sell 4.1% stake in Reliance stake in the Reliance in industry and listed in subsidiaries, and that was later merged with Reliance Industry in 2009. So try to understand what was actual fraud case. The Reliance Industry Reliance and Broad okay initially the Reliance Industry board on okay is to sell 4.1% stake in Reliance Petroleum in March 2007. Between November to November between November November 1 to November 6 2007, entities connected to Reliance Industries and take substantial short positions. Take a short positions in the short positions in the futures contract. November future contract of Reliance Petroleum Limited. That was actually that was it. I am trying to understand what was the fraud case. So they was and they try to take a short position on the Reliance Petroleum. Now Reliance Industries start offloading of their 4.1% stake in Reliance Petroleum in the cash segment, and Reliance Industry placed a huge order below the market rate on November 29 of 2007, and move that causes the stock prices to fall in the cash and derivative segments. And Reliance Industries connected to the entities make a unlawful uh, make a unlawful um, gains of rupees 447 crore. As per stock exchange rule, there are limits on how much one client can hold. That is actually that is known as a client white position limit. Actually, in that in case of Reliance Petroleum, it was around 9 million shares. So one agent cannot. It's not possible to accumulate all the s- all the shares of the positions in the for the one agent of 9 million shares. So therefore, the trades were done. There was intelligence. There was the trade was done through 12 entities. 12 entities. That was circumvent the limit, and 12 agents hired by Reliance Industry. 12 was hired by the 12 industries, and the and the positions created by these entities, and around 93 and 93 per outstanding positions, and and actually there was there were in companies, the positions created by the entities and around these accounted by the 93 per 93 point 93 93 point 90 almost 94% stakes was accumulated by these 12 agencies and outstanding positions, and that is called open interest in the November's future contract of the Reliance Petroleum. In other words, almost all of the open interest belong to 12 foreign entities of Reliance Industries. That is, all the open interest has been taken by these 12 agencies. And Sebi investigation shows that each of these the 12 entities had undertaken the trade on behalf of the Reliance Industries. It was investigated by Sebi, not and the profits made were transferred to the company and accounted for as other income in the Reliance Industries profit and loss account for the financial end, that is financial year of 2007-8. Meanwhile, between November 6, that in the year 2007, and November, that is in between November 6 to 23 of 2007, Reliance Industries sold 4% stake, 4% stake, and that is 4% in the Reliance Petroleum for rupees of 4,023 crore, and the company did not sell any further share till November 29, and the actual drama will happen on November 29 November. What is that? And the company did not sell any further share till November 29 2007, the expiry day for the November series contract. But the actual scenario happened the actual scenario was happened on actual scenario happened on 29 November 2007. What was that? The actual scenario happened that on the 2007, November 2007, Reliance Industries sold another 19.5 million share worth about 4,400 crore during the last 10 minutes of the trade. In each place, these orders well below that is well below the last trade price, which triggered the drop in the Reliance Petroleum share price. And the Reliance Industries, by placing the order below the last traded price, was able to dump a huge quantity of share in the cash market. And during the last 10 minutes, thus affecting the price not only in the cash market but also in the process affecting the determination of settlement. And the SEBI says in the order, and the market regulator alleged that the objective of doing of this was to bring down the price in the crash segment, and consequently the derivatives of the segment of the Reliance Petroleum shares skipped, and the make the further undue extraordinary profit on the open short positions in the derivative segments, which was already made by this 12 agency hired by the Reliance Industries. By doing this, Reliance Industries through these front entities made an average profit of rupees 60 rupees per share. Each illegally held short position of 74 million shares, and it is a result made a gain of 447 7 crore. This is a fraud total alleged by the SEBI. And now let's turn to the that is what is going to the Reliance Industries defense going to. And according to Reliance Industry, the short positions were taken for the hedging purpose, and they have told to the SEBI and actually there's a hedging purpose, and the company adopted a prudent strategy to the hedging loss that is expected due to the impeding the sales in the cash segment by the taking the appropriate positions in the F&O segments. And the company this has sold to Sebi, but actually that's Sebi and the order of against the Mukesh Ambani was exactly like that. I note that the notice he too, the being the managing director of Reliance Industries, was responsible for the manipulative and activities of Reliance Industries, and I am of the view that the listed company should exhibit the highest standard of professionalism and transparency and the good practices of the corporate governance, which inspire the confidence of the investors dealing in the capital market. Sharing this news, I am feeling very sad about the retailers, especially who invested their money, um, valuable money, in such a reputed company. Of Reliance Industries is a very big brand, and since established of Sensex, it's a Reliance Industries very big brand and very reputed company in in India. Mukesh Ambani is a very big reputed person, and I am very very small person to discuss about his reputations, his honesty, his integrity, and how can he do that. It is it is a in this case this is a real s- snatching the money of investors, innocent investors. How can he do that? Though the 60 crore fine that fine has been imposed on him, the 60 crores, it's very it's like a very nutshell to for him. It's very minimum for him, but it will definitely affect the reputation of Reliance share in future. So now let's discuss in the chart the what is going on in the we can see the weekly chart. Reliance we going in the will definitely affect the Reliance chart, and then it is going now for a couple of weeks it is definitely going down, and you can see this is going down. And for the better analysis we are just trying to we are going to discuss um, one daily chart. A daily chart, and a daily chart you can see that the Reliance industry, Reliance Industries series, and it was like a consolidating on that particular area, and it was down initially, and now it has up, and now for there it has created like a very narrow narrow space, they are created some breakout areas. If it has break, and for any kind of news that happens, effect that this such kind of bad news effect, it will definitely move downwards, or if it is moving down towards, it will definitely go to this level, that is 850. There is a strong support that is at 850, and it will definitely affect the result of the agriculture bill. It will what going on at Punjab. It affecting its share also. And if the other result and give positive news, it will definitely go up, and because it is a breakout areas, and it will definitely go towards if it moves towards to it breaks the disease level, that is 225, then it is go towards the 200 220. So it is a better if we go in the coming weeks, if we can see that it's moving towards the level of 850, definitely we can buy on dips. It's a recommendation that it's my suggestions. Maybe you can buy for long term perspectives. You can buy the Reliance share on 850 in future. So thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, you can hit a like button on this video. Thank you.